Hi guys, today we're doing Bible Workbook, page 87. It's a little bit more review about the plagues that we've learned and a few more details that we need to go over to get us ready for our quiz tomorrow. We're not going to take our Bible quiz until tomorrow, but I just want to do this little bit more review so that we're ready. And then I want you to practice all of the plagues so that you know them and you're ready for the quiz tomorrow. So let's go over these questions really quickly, and then we can jump on into the next thing. So these are the multiple choice section on page 87. The directions say to put a check mark next to the correct answer. So that's all we're going to do is check mark the correct answer. You should know most of these already, but some of them are worded a little bit different than what we really focused on, so I'll help you with a few of them as well. So, number 1, another name word for the Hebrews is Egyptians, Israelites, Amalekites. Well, the Egyptians are the ones who were making the Hebrews be slaves, so we actually remember them as being Israelites. The Israelites and the Hebrews were the same group of people, the followers of God. Number 2, the leader of the Egyptians was the king, Potiphar, Pharaoh. This one should be pretty easy. We talk about him all the time. His name is Pharaoh. Okay. Number 3, the land God had promised to the Hebrews was the land of Egypt, Canaan, or Goshen. Well, Egypt was where they were slaves and not taken very good care of. Canaan sounds familiar, but Goshen doesn't. So our answer is actually Canaan. Some of you may have remembered that already. Number 4, the men who made the Israelites work so hard were the taskmasters, magicians, or the Hebrews. So it's not the Hebrews because the Israelites and the Hebrews are the same people. It's not the magicians because those are Pharaoh's helpers that tried to do magic tricks to fight against Moses when Moses dropped his staff and it turned into a snake, that sort of thing. So it's not them, so it's the taskmasters. The taskmasters were the guys that were in charge of each thing that the Israelites had to get done. So they were the ones who made them work so hard, taskmasters. Okay. Number 5, a type of grasshopper that eats the herbs of the fields is a fly, locust, or frog. Well, if I think about a grasshopper, I know a grasshopper is not a fly, and I know a grasshopper is not a frog. So the only one that I don't really know is locust, and that's the one that was a plague. Number 6, the real leader of the Hebrews was Moses, Aaron, God. Well, the real leader, Moses and Aaron, were the men that were in charge of the people to help get them out of slavery, but the real leader was God. He was the one who was protecting them, loving them, and had a plan to get them out of slavery. So I know that was quick and short, and I just want you to make sure that you practice all the plagues 1 through 9 to get you ready for the quiz tomorrow. That's all.